In this class we are going to see about simple harmonic motion. What exactly a simple harmonic motion is? First we should know what is a periodic motion. Periodic motion, if a body is repeating its path in regular interval of time, then it is called periodic motion. Say this is a person who is standing here. He is going towards the left. Okay, he traveled some distance. He came back to his position and he went back, and he went backward some distance and came back to its original position. Okay, if he comes back to original position, he is taking some time, capital T seconds, to come back. Now after reaching again also, he is going forward and coming back and going back and coming forward. So continuously he is repeating the same motion. So this kind of motion is called periodic motion. Time period. So this regular time interval. So this regular time interval is called time period. Say he is after 1 hour he is coming back, then his time period is 1 hour. He is repeating his motion after 1 hour. This is called a time period. Few examples we can discuss about this in this regard. So we can do the mathematical analysis also, but as far as theoretical part is concerned, we will just mention it. A motion of a liquid in U-tube is this is one example. Say now you compress the liquid from one side, it increases on other side. Now because of force only it's compressed, right? Now you remove the force. What happens? The liquid comes back to high position again. Okay, then after reaching this position, it will not stay in this only. Outside become like this. Now from here it goes back again. So after reaching here again it comes back, continuously repeating its motion. This is called a periodic motion. And so then something called a piston. Say you compress the piston. So after compressing, you will just leave it. So it comes back to its equilibrium position and then goes up. After going height again, it comes down and it repeats its motion. This kind of motion is called a repeating motion. So most important is a watch. In watch, seconds pendulum, hours, seconds, minutes and hours. Okay, so after how much time the seconds pendulum will reach to its original position? After 60 seconds. Okay, on minutes bar, after how much time it comes back to its original position? After 1 hour. Hours 1, see it is 12 o'clock, and after when it will come? After 12 o'clock, after 12 hours it will come to 12 o'clock. So hours pendulum has time 12 hours. So time interval is 60 seconds, 1 hour and 12 hours. So depending on the bar size, the time period is changed. And one more beautiful example can be given as motion of earth around the sun. How much time Earth takes to move around the sun? 365 days. After every 365 days, Earth is repeating its motion about the sun. So this is called periodic motion. Physical representation of SHM. So simple harmonic motion. What exactly simple harmonic motion is? In this now we are going to see. Simple harmonic motion is if movement of the body, okay, tendency, instead of that I can write, say there is a block on the table or some place. Now if I displace towards the right side, so if I displace right side, it should try to come back to its left position. That's what is happening in these cases. When I compress this body, it has tendency to go back. When it was going upwards, when it was going upwards, it is coming downward. Okay, so when body motions are repeated about a particular point, similarly horse pendulum clock also, a mean position we consider as a 12 hours, 12 number, about the 12 number they are moving about. Say that point becomes an equilibrium point. Similarly earth also. Similarly now we come to the block. Say this block is moved towards displaced. This is a displacement, displaced about left side, but the tendency it's trying to come back to its equilibrium position. Okay, this is x. So if the tendency is in the backward direction, force is in the backward direction. Now you try to move in the left direction, minus x. Body direction tries to come back in the other direction. So let's see, there can be, which means like force is proportional to force is not proportional as of now. We just see force is trying to restore its body's motion. So that's what it is saying. So restore cases, let's write F is equal to k into x square. Some random value I am taking. K is a constant, and x is a displacement. Okay, x is a displacement. Now let's verification. Let's verify. So our body will follow this or not. So when I keep force, when I displace the body, x if you do positive, force should be what? Negative. If I displace x negative, force should be positive. Why you are saying I displace the body in the negative direction? The body moved in the right direction, which means like a body tendency in the right direction. So if the body displaced, I displaced in a positive x direction, the force is towards the negative direction. So let's check whether our system is following this situation or not, this condition or not. Okay, so force is equal to k into plus x square. So it becomes plus positive only. So displacement is positive and force is also positive, and displacement you keep negative, force what happens? K into minus x square becomes x square, it becomes positive. Whatever you meant to keep, whether you keep positive or negative, so this is not going to come back to equilibrium. So this is not in a equilibrium condition. Say let's write F is equal to minus k minus 9 plus kx. So if I displace the body, x if I take in a negative direction, force is equal to negative, force will also be negative, minus times the k is a positive constant. Okay, if it is a positive constant, everywhere k will be positive only. F is negative. If I displace x is positive, so force is positive, but what we want for negative we need positive, for positive we need negative. So some symbol we can change here. I can write F is equal to minus kx. Okay, F is equal to minus kx. Now just see, x is negative I am keeping. Now force what happens? Negative of negative, positive. X is positive I am keeping. What happens? In positive times negative, it becomes a negative. So if I try to displace the body, positive side goes to negative side. Okay, now what happens? F is equal to minus kx square. Minus kx square. So x is positive. I am taking many number of examples. So positive, and force becomes negative because positive x square and minus will be there. X is negative and force will be what? Minus square plus minus square plus. It is also negative. F is equal to minus k x cube. Let's consider. Now I consider x is equal to positive value. Force will be negative value. So in the second minus kx square situation, whatever you take force, you are getting negative value. One second. I am explaining a little more about this point because these are very important. And if I displace x in a negative direction, force minus x cube will be negative minus multiplied with minus plus, so positive. So similarly, so this is following the rule or not? Yes, it is following. So if I have to displace the body positive, it should show negative. So this is accepting. This is not, and this is correct. So certain things are valid. F is equal to minus kx cube. Let's verify for minus kx power 5. So I consider x is positive, so force will be negative. X as negative, so power 5, so force will be positive. So these cases, this is also satisfying the cases. So what are the things which are satisfying? The force should be equal to minus kx or minus kx cube or minus kx power 5, so and so on, x power 2n minus 1. So minus k x 2 power 2n minus 1. These are the statements which are valid for simple harmonic motion. These are all periodic motions. Okay, periodic motion means body tries to come back for all these cases. Out of all this, we need what? Simple harmonic motion. So simple harmonic motion, so which is the simplest easy one to write? F is equal to minus kx. If a body can represent as minus a constant times x, what is the x? Displacement. Displace a body. How to write expressions in this case? First, displace a body little bit, and write the force expression, and write force expressions. So if we can write F is equal to minus kx, this is called what? Simple harmonic motion. So we can represent this force and displacement in a graph. So if we draw the graph, if we take force in y-axis, x in this side. If I keep positive value of x, and what should be the force value? Force should be negative, which means it will be in which quadrant? It will be in a fourth quadrant. So it will be some positive value of x, force will be minus force. And how it comes? It comes like a straight line. So the graph will be like this. So this is what actually F is equal to minus kx. It represents, this graph represents the simple harmonic curve, force versus displacement graph. Okay, force versus displacement graph. So we will discuss in the next video elaborately about different periodic and what is the difference between periodic and simple harmonic. Thank you.